Hey Paris, what is happening? Jeez, what is happening? What happened to? What is happening with y'all? I mean, no, I wonder when me did what happened to me. God, it's a lot. It is a lot. I'm just starting a little vlog for you. Today is like the 10th, 10th to the 10th, yeah. It has been a lot, a lot, a lot, a whole eve. But you know what happened? I don't, if today's Sunday, I don't even know what I'm doing. I know I'm gonna I have some prunes over there. I have some currants. This is not currants, this is raisins. I have cherries here. Mega get these cherries and these, and so I'm gonna stew some fruits. I'm supposed to start baking already. That's been a lot. Whew. I'm trying to get up a tank. I am almost there. It took me it took a whole lot out of me. Financially, physically, mentally, every angle. Can I tell you something? Well, I'm not sure about other places, but in Jamaica, if you try to put up a tank as a little poor person like me because of the water problem, make sure you do your research, because the cash wise, it's not easy. I did not do my research, and it lit me for 6. I almost passed out. I almost passed out, but I am almost there. It was a whole lot up and down, all kind of stuff is happening. But I'm here. I am giving thanks. Those of you, when me want to talk a little after more than some, thanks for the support, thanks for the love, thanks for the encouragement and all of that. Yesterday I met up with a subscriber. Her name was Milene. Milene, pick up yourself. When you watch this, we had a quick, this was a really quick one, because I had some work going on. They were trying to install a pump yesterday, so I just ran out, and it was a really quick one, you know. So Milene, big up yourself when you watch this and all of that. So here, starting off the vlog. Did I say good morning? No, I did not. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and most of all, you know, some would like it to be good night when you cock up in your bed and watch this. I want you can guess what? Somewhere before the vlog end, I got Karen, I got show no what go on, all the tank bitch up and up there, and the pump. Oh my God! Thanks. I think one lady sent me a donation to help to get my pump, and I want to say thank you. And also, I want to call her name because actually she didn't give me permission. I don't think I want to call her name. Once somebody sent me a donation to help with my pump, so I just want to say thank you. You know yourself, she distinctly said it was to help with my pump, so I got a pump, I got a tank, and just a few little itches leave, but I'll get there. Those are the most things. And as I said before, considering to get yourself a tank and a pump, make sure you do your homework, make sure you get your facts straight, and nobody make you eat you like a 6 like me. I'm gonna go now get this. I honestly may have chicken here, so thawing out to season. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Yesterday was Saturday. It was one of the most hectic day of 2019 for me. A fall that I'm going through. I'm sending back look water in the pipe. It's not a lot, but at least it coming out of the kitchen. Yo, I tell you what I went through this summer with water. Now I know that people, you don't, me not like say water waste. I was never normally a person that wastes water, but some of the little things, you know, that people took for granted, you know, it's huge. When I sat all through the summer, and it's still not over, because there are a few days that might have it today, and maybe the next 6, 7 days it's gone again. So that's when the tanker got come in. So I'm saying, when I sat during that time and I was watching like YouTube videos and anything, and you know, movies, and you see water running a people pipe fluently, and you want to try to get even a bath. I know I'm not get a decent bath. All no, I don't get a decent bath because the water not come in the shower for floor. Probably if I was getting, you know, good baths, I wouldn't be so stressed, because you know that would have just flush, wash your ear and flush. But you know what happened? It is what it is. Me there, and me I try stay up on top of things. I'll catch you in the next clip. So Paris. So me try stir up because the prawns them did at the top. And then I have like, wow, I'm through with this. I'm just gonna cover it down. See my orange peel and everything. I have another batch like this to do, but I don't think I'll be doing that today. I'll be doing that some other, maybe later on down into the week. So this is so hot, and it just, as it cools, it will absorb the whole of the liquid here, and it's gonna go down into the pot. But the weight of it, this is what you use to give the fruit cake its weight. These fruits, you have to stew them, make them get nice and mellow. My cherries and my prunes them in it and something and so on. So this is where it's at with this. I have made up my mind what for dinner. I think I'm gonna do some barbie fry and just some fries. Barbie fried chicken and some fries with a coleslaw. So look here, this is where I am at so far, and I'll catch you in the next clip. Okay, Barry, this is the next clip. The nice serve. This is for you all. Come on, girl, and maybe I got to honestly I wanted to do a coleslaw, but I'm beat. I ain't got the strength, so this is for you. Eat with your eyes. This is a jerk barbie fried chicken. It is beautiful. I'll give you that jerk barbie fried sauce. I'll give it to you for the holidays on the Jamaican cooking journey. You're gonna love it. So please do enjoy. This is dinner. And I guess they're gonna do like mac and cheese. I'm not really ever eating mac and cheese. So look here, when I say I'm tired out, fresh out, I don't get back my momentum, but I promise you I'll get back my momentum. And when I get it back, I'm gonna do you a video getting back my momentum. So I'm gonna eat up some of this. Everybody gonna serve themselves. I'm gonna eat, and then when I eat, I'm gonna cool off, get myself a bath, and maybe guess what? I want to show you. I got a new little puppy. I tried to show you her before I go inside and get my bath. So I'll catch you in the next clip. I want to show you my puppy. If not, I'll catch you when I'm in bed. I'm closing off the vlog. I'm going to eat. So hi Paris. Oh my God. I am in my little rukodan. My father used to say when I was a little girl, and he would always say, come go in and look rukodan, you know. He was talking in his bed. So I am in bed, honestly. I don't even know if I'll sleep tonight. That I make some sauce to play for me. My nerves is like so jittery. I didn't get to show you my little new puppy, but I'll show you in another vlog sometime in the coming week. So this little vlog was just to show you what I want to make. I don't know, say I do the real thing, and you know, I just don't I just do me, you know that. So when I see me, I know say me just you know, things just more than the camera. I can't pick up the camera. So I am here. Today was like, I not even know if I call today, but me I try stay up on top of things, because I know my slogan, that stay up on top of things. One of the Paris said to me the other day, me and them attack, so Miss Debbie, always I encourage you to stay up on top of things. So uno have to encourage me now. Always I encourage you guys. So it's time enough uno to encourage me. I'm not sick, you know, but I have just gone through a lot. As me go through, me share, it is a lot more than you guys even know. So much. So I want to just say something. If you're watching this or whenever you get to watch this, the nerves them in my stomach, them just jittery. But I'm going to get my soursop. And as I always tell them, get your soursop leaf. And if you're a person that have your water inside your pipe, running flushy, that you can't get a nice bath, because I didn't get a good bath just now. I just came from the bathroom. They have to use the bottom pipe. And you know, with for me and some of you age, when you stoop down on your knee to use the bottom pipe, you can't stay long. Because the knee them, you know, start to feel tired. And then you have to get up, rest and go again. So I'm just saying, if you got your shower coming down, I have a nice shower head, but just water just not coming up in there. And you know, you can't get a nice shower. Because probably if the water was coming up that I could shower, I know I would feel 100% better. So make sure, don't take it for granted. Your water running at your kitchen, flushy, you can do your laundry. You know what happened? Try look at it and give thanks and say there's somebody struggling for water. Yes, I have the tank up, but you know what happened? I did not connect that tank to my bathroom. I just connected it to my kitchen from a machine and my kitchen pipe, and then Jerry them get some to over there. My bathroom is out of bounds, so I have to go have another one. I may not get no more because I have other plans, you know. So my bathroom I go out of it for now. But just have to use the little people water where them give me. You get what I'm saying? Because using tank water, it's a lot. Sometimes you see people with tank, they have 3, 4, 5 tanks. Because it might look like the tank hold a lot, but when you start to do a few loads of clothes in the machine, you flush the toilet, you do some, there goes the tank and it comes right down. So one tank is not enough, but you know what, we give God the glory and we give God the praise, and we are panka with it till such time, you know. So I'm just gonna sign out for now. Wanna pray me up, you know. I know we pray me up. We soon back again, man. Give me by now in the middle of this week until weekend. When my body rests out and I get over all of this, when I go see me back again. It's not the end of it. It won't last. So you all be good, be safe. Tomorrow is a new week. It is the start of a new work week for some people. Some people work week start today because they work every day. But they are so in the bed. If I don't drink some sauce up, I'm not going to sleep tonight. My nerves is too jittery all over the place. So I'm going to get it. I want to be safe. You all be good. And make sure it doesn't matter what we do right on over here. Never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things.